A twist and seal flange is a toilet flange designed to adjust and seal against a waste pipe when floor height changes require a raised or variable flange position. Use a twist and seal flange when your subfloor has been raised by new flooring that leaves the previous flange recessed or too low for a proper wax ring seal. These flanges have a slotted outer collar that you rotate down over the hub so the collar flares outward and bears against the finished floor surface, while the inner hub remains seated in the drain. To install, position the flange over the drain and rotate the collar clockwise until the skirt flares and sits flush with the finished floor. The motion both expands the flange and compresses the integrated sealing surface against the pipe. Make sure the toilet closet bolts line up in the flange slots before final tightening, because the slots are there to accept bolt placement rather than drilled holes in many designs. If the slots do not match your bolt locations, mark and drill new attachment holes through the flange and subfloor using corrosion-resistant screws long enough to reach structural material. For a watertight result, check that the flange sits level, the collar is fully rotated to its stop, and that you use a compatible wax ring or wax-free gasket rated for raised flange applications. Common mistakes include assuming the collar will create a seal without seating the inner hub properly, which leads to leaks. The fix is to verify the hub is fully inserted into the waste pipe before rotating the collar. Another frequent issue is misaligned bolt slots that prevent the toilet from sitting square. You should test fit the toilet and, if needed, drill new flange holes or reorient the flange while the screws are loose. Lastly, people sometimes rely on short screws that only bite into flooring and not structural backing, causing the flange to flex under load. Always fasten into joist or blocking, or use longer corrosion-resistant screws and, if necessary, add backing under the flange for solid anchoring. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project guides specific to tasks like adjusting flange height after renovations. We host a discussion community where we and other users share installation tips and contractor experiences to help homeowners and contractors find the right match.